Hello everyone. Today I'll bring the trick that everyone wanted today. That is Veo 3 SS plus free of cost SS. Even for the people those are living in USA or living in outside USA. I have an offer for you that will work for everyone. I can say for everyone. Veo is doing great, extraordinary. He creating blogs, movies, tricks, everything. It's look like real. But one thing is problem that no one have proper access. Reason it's only available in USA and other 7 countries right now, as per the latest 7 May uh, updates. But we got access. How? I will tell you. I will get access today. I will sharing it with you. I just click on one link. I directly reach to that link and I get direct access for next 15 month free of cost. But here is twist. You need some tricks to make it activate. For that you have to watch this complete video till end. At the end I will give you everything you need to do. Even I will tell you how to create prompt and plus how to generate video and save your credits in this Veo 3, because if you spend your credits free of cost it will not worth. So to save your credits and save money to make more video to earn more, must watch this video till end. Okay, I'm giving you the link till last, so make sure you like, subscribe and share and watch this video till end. First step, you need a VPN. To get a VPN, I will tell you how to get VPN. Go to right here, the Chrome right hand side. There will be a 3-dot vertical line. Click on it and then go down. There will be extension option. Click there and then visit Chrome Web Store. There you need to mention Urban VPN proxy. Okay, install it. I already installed, so that's the reason it's coming. After installation, go there. There is icon right hand side near the name of your sign in button. Okay, click there and there will be like this Urban VPN proxy. Click on that. It will like window drop down. It will come. Select there, here, United States and click here. It will connect you. After connecting, I will give you the link. Okay, after clicking a link, I'll tell you what will happen. Give me a minute. Take a blank or new page of that browser, click paste, and you will lead to this page. Here you will see the get offer. Okay, see, read this. College student get free upgrade for Gemini through final 2026. Click on get offer. You already subscribed. Because I already subscribed, that's the reason I have this option. So when I go to Gemini Pro, click here. I directly come to here. But here's the twist. If you want to use a Veo 3, you can use here too. But there will be a difference. Here if you use Veo 3, that will be not get charged from your subscription credits. But if you use from here, Flow, okay, in Flow, that will be charged. I will show you how. See, click on new project. Okay, click here. See, there is a 1000 AI credits. But one thing here, when you click here, setting, there is 2 options. One is output per prompt, second is model. You select Veo 3 highest quality model, they will charge 100 credits per video. That's when you can only create 10 videos. But if you use Veo 2 slow version 1, oh sorry, fast one, not the quality one, you will get 10 credits. That one you can create up to 8 minutes, sorry, 8-second video, at least 100 videos. That's a lot. 100 video, 10 second, that is a lot videos. I mean, it's not get over within a month. Okay, credits will credit after every month, so it will renew after every month. That's the reason. I will show you one more thing what I have created. Wait a minute. I have created something with Veo. Here is it. Jimny. I created the video here. I write this text. Selfie came blogger. I write it with Gemini too. Okay. Then I write this and make this video. Check this music and all. Oh my. See the quality, see the voice. That is what is VO3. Okay. So before you take it, please like, subscribe, and share. Like, subscribe, share, so I can continue with more videos, more tricks. Link is I will give in description. You can check and click link. But remember, must install VPN first. Okay. Thank you for your time till now.